Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion portfolio. First, define your portfolio's purpose, whether it's for job applications, showcasing creative work, or personal branding. This clarity will help you select the most relevant content. Next, open Notion and create a new page. You can begin with a blank canvas or explore Notion's template gallery for a head start. Structure your page logically, perhaps with a main navigation section at the top, ensuring a smooth user experience for visitors. Now, let's populate your portfolio with compelling content. For each project, create a dedicated subpage. Within these pages, include a concise project overview, your specific role, the tools you used, and the results achieved. Incorporate visuals like screenshots, mock-ups, or videos to make your work stand out. Also, dedicate a section to your skills, perhaps using a gallery view, and ensure your About Me section is engaging and professional, including clear contact information. Design is crucial for a memorable portfolio. Utilize Notion's flexible blocks to create an appealing layout. Experiment with columns to arrange content side by side, use toggle lists for detailed information, and embed various media types like YouTube videos or Figma prototypes. Select a consistent color palette and typography. Choose a compelling cover image and icons for each section to add visual interest and reinforce your personal brand, making your portfolio uniquely yours. Finally, it's time to share your hard work with the world. Go to the Share menu in Notion and enable Share to Web. Customize your public link and permissions as needed. Distribute this link across your professional social media profiles, job applications, and personal website. Remember, a portfolio is a living document. Aim to review and update it every few months, adding new projects, refining descriptions, and ensuring all information remains current and accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.